Understanding the difference between fast, normal, and best printing modes on the HP PageWide XL Pro 10,000 printer. Depending on the application, the HP PageWide XL Pro 10,000 printer offers 3 different print modes: fast, normal, and best. The print mode can be selected before submitting the print job, allowing you to get the most out of every print. Let's take a look at the main characteristics and recommended applications of each of these print modes. If you need to print temporary indoor or outdoor posters or draft versions of the design, select the fast print mode. This printing mode prints at maximum speed, saving time and reducing costs through an optimized ink usage. If your printouts require a higher image quality, it's recommended to use the normal print mode. In the normal and best print modes, HP airflows are activated, improving the print quality in exchange for a slight decrease in speed. The normal print mode is the standard mode for everyday jobs ranging from high-coverage promotional, POPs, and educational posters to presentations and retail rigid boards. When the goal is to reach the maximum image quality consistently throughout the entire print run, choose the best print mode. The new airflow technology controls the ink drop movements, allowing them to follow the same path before they land on the media, delivering color uniformity to produce high-definition jobs like retail, high-impact posters, and POPs. The printing speed may vary based on the combination of the media type, the design to be printed, and the print mode selected. This way, you can decide which print mode is best suited for different types of media on the HP PageWide XL Pro 10,000 printer.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.